back with Markets at Lunch right here on ET Now. Well, quality, that's the one stock which is in focus, and let's get a business sense and an outlook on what the company is currently up to, what sort of expansions they're looking at, considering it's been such a buzzing stock of late. Quality Dairy now holding up by about 6.25%. Sumit Changle, CFO at Quality Limited, joins us on the phone line. Sumit, let's start firstly by talking about the expansions planned in the dairy business, the new product categories that you may be looking to get into.
No, the business is going. We grew at almost 20% last year. In this 9 months of this financial year also, we have grown by almost 20%. Business looks pretty good with these new products that we are planning to launch. I think the future of company is quite bright. Hoping to emulate the growth that we did last year.
What are the capacity additions that you're planning, Sunit?
Well, this our retail business is basically consists of this fresh product has been growing at almost 30%, and we will be maintaining this growth. But the thing is, if you want to increase this part of your business, then you have to increase the milk that you procure from farmers, and that is where that we are focusing on right now.
Right. So how is the industry shaped up in terms of competition? Because there are a lot of new companies which have entered the business as well, Parag Foods, Govardhan, etc.
You know, it's such a huge market. If we talk about industry figures, some people say it's a 3 lakh crore market, milk market that is there. So, and Amul being the largest, I think they are doing just 20,000 crores. So there is a lot of scope. We have a feeling that another 10 Amuls can easily be accommodated into this. So there's a scope for each company. And when private sector comes into a lot of changes, lot of things are done. So we welcome this competition and hope everybody is able to sell whatever they produce. And we are doing that. In spite of this competition that is happening, everybody is able to sell whatever they are producing. There's no problem as far as this competition is concerned.
The 3 major earning drivers for the next few years. If I were to ask you that question, how would you respond? What would be the top 3 earning drivers?
You know, we are diversifying. We are bringing in some new value-added products in the form of flavored milk, table butter, drinking yogurt, cheese, UHT milk. So these would be products which will be driving our profits, though they will be not as a huge margin as what milk does. But then they would be contributing to our bottom line.
Right, and what's your earnings guidance as well as your margin outlook?
You know, we are working on an EBITDA of around 6%. The value-added products that we are targeting have a much higher realization in terms of both cash flow and margins. But then right now it would be very difficult to predict what would be the what would be the fat margins like after this. Once these are successfully launched, I think there could be quite a substantial increase in this margin.
Appreciate you joining us for that quick perspective. Thanks for taking the time out. That's the CFO of Quality Dairy. The stock perking up as the management was speaking to us, 7.5%. And it's been active the last 2 or 3 sessions. So decent enough outing for Quality Dairy as well. But let me get back to Rahul Shah, Associate VP, Group Leader, Equity Advisory Group at Motilal Oswal. Rahul, if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Great. So, I mean, I want to ask you about a Quality Dairy. That's probably a too small a stock. But just wondering, for the current series, earnings season as